Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Following Forward Financial. Just bringing you out another video. I found this article and thought it was kind of interesting. I'm sure you've heard of them all, but it was anyway an interesting article. Everybody's talking about EVs out there, so just bringing this one to your attention. And you might already have a lot of the stocks that I'm going to go over. I have a couple of them, but not all of them. So we'll see what happens, and might be purchasing some more. So anyway, as you can see from the title here, 7 electric vehicle stocks that could be your joyride into 2021 and kick 2020 to the curb. Electric vehicle stocks had an outstanding run this year, as you will see, and I'm sure if you have some EVs, you can agree with that title. But we're going to go over 7 different ones. I'm not going to read the whole article to you. You can go ahead and pause it. I found this in Investor Place, as you can see. Investors who held on to electric vehicle EV stocks this year fared very well. Returns on pure play EV companies range from 5-fold to over 20 times. By comparison, the internal combustion engine, ICE, companies returned almost nothing at best and small losses at worst. Ouch. As the tectonic shift from ICE to EV, it sounds kind of like a rap song, from ICE to EV. That's all. Well, maybe we'll put some lyrics to it another time, but anyway, continues into 2021. Investors will want to stay invested in both sectors, which I agree. And I'll kind of show you the ones that I have. Anyway, here's the list. With all that in mind, here are 7 electric vehicle stocks worth looking at for next year. And Tesla, NIO, Xpeng, Toyota, Ford, GM, and Workhorse. I have all of these but Toyota. I do not have Toyota. I've thought about it. I just haven't pulled the trigger on that one for whatever reason, so may keep watching it. Might do a Toyota video, who knows. If you have Toyota out there, go ahead and leave that in the comments. Speaking of, if you haven't hit that like button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit it, drop kick it, smash it. If you have a family member, a roommate, body slam them on the like button, go ahead and highlight it, dance on it, whatever you want. For the people out there watching videos this time of night, you might want to tickle it. So anyway, however you highlight it works for me. But and if you haven't subscribed, we're a growing channel. I'm a new channel. I'm trying to take it to the next level. I love the stock market. I love doing research. Kind of addicted, I guess you would say. Maybe I'll end up in rehab next year. But anyway, sorry for the bad humor, but I like to make jokes. But anyway, back to Tesla. First on the list, of course, is Tesla. Back in July, Tesla stock exploded even higher from never-ending investor bullishness. I already made another video about Tesla tonight. You can find that in my library, or maybe I'll try to put it in the links here. By September, shares fell no lower than $330, only to rebound. Despite highly unfavorable valuations, markets look at Tesla stock as an innovative technology platform for EVs. Again, you can go ahead and pause it there. I'm not going to give you all the technicals. Everybody out there is talking about Tesla. Just to kind of show you, I showed you on the other video, I do have 2 and a partial share of Tesla, and that's my cost basis $562.32. So nothing to brag about. Probably compared out to some other Tesla shareholders out there, but I'm up 18%, so can't complain too much. tip ranks shows it as a hold, and this is the price the analyst is giving it. So you can agree or disagree with the analyst. But anyway, next is Neo. I think I just made a Neo video earlier tonight as well, and there's another one you'd have to check in my library that I made as well. I'm probably going to be doing some more Neo with Neo Day coming up. But on October 2nd, Neo's strong September delivery sparked a rally in Neo stock. The China-based EV maker posted a 133% growth in unit deliveries for the month. So really good growth. In my other video, I believe it talked about in December of 19, it was $2.50. So if you bought it back then and still have it, that would also be nice to know, as well as any EV stocks. If you'd want to leave that in the comments, that would be awesome. We can all compare notes, and I'll try to make money together and help everybody out. That's why I started this channel, just to try to build a little community here. So, and anyway, you can see the units that they're turning out. Neo Day 1/9/21, January 9th of next year. Should be interesting. They're releasing a couple new products. So it should be a very interesting day. So I do have some shares of Neo. You can also catch that in my other video. I have 3. My cost basis is $48.06. Since I bought it, it went down. I have not purchased any more. I've been too busy watching other stocks. I should have just concentrated on Neo, but I didn't. So maybe going forward I will, but I've been more focused on Tesla than what I have Neo. But anyway, Neo is showing a moderate buy, and it's showing $49.84, which we're already, well, I think we were past that at one point or close to it. But anyway, next on the list is Xpeng. It's another Chinese EV. On November 12th, the China-based firm posted strong quarterly results that sent the stock up over 33% on the day. I believe I remember that day. I believe I bought it probably shortly thereafter. I think I bought Neo, Xpeng, and Li Auto all on the same day. I just wanted to try them, and I think I got about 3 shares of each. But again, we'll go ahead and go back and take a look at that. The revenue has more than tripled, up almost 343% to $293.1 million. The markets also rewarded Xpeng after it posted vehicle deliveries that were up nearly 266%. I'm not going to read the rest of that. If you'd like to pause it, go ahead, and I'm trying to keep the video short, and it's already getting pretty long here. But anyway, just to show you the videos that I make, I like to have some skin in the game, or whatever you want to call it. I feel I do a much better job when I have the stocks that I'm actually talking about. I've seen other YouTubers out there that they'll talk about a stock that they don't even own. I don't really agree with that. So again, I've been putting off making videos on these. I'll probably be making more as time goes on and the price goes up. But as you can see, 3 again shares at 45.12. So again, I'm a little bit behind on this one, but it'll catch up. So I think I bought right. Well, I think it was right about in here. Of course, duh, at the peak. So that's the wrong time to buy. So again. That's why I named my channel Falling Forward Financial. You want to fall forward instead of backwards. So again, that's why I like to show you the stocks that I've bought. I mean, I'm not perfect. There's my cost basis, and probably bought somewhere, I would have to go back and look at the date here. Let's see, November 13th. So there you go. So right about somewhere in here is about where I bought it. So anyway, it had a nice run up. I should have dumped it. I don't even think I was paying attention to it then. Would have been a nice profit. But anyway, and Xpeng is showing a moderate buy of 41.75 is what the analyst, so it's pretty close. But anyway, next on the list is Toyota. I have thought about purchasing them. I think they're up over $100, and I don't know, been too busy in other things. I've thought about it a couple times, but just haven't. Yeah, see, it's $150 stock, so I could buy 3 shares of the other for the price of this one. But anyway, however you look at it, I've never had a Toyota, so maybe that's why I haven't purchased any of the stock. And it doesn't even give a dividend. I thought it did, but anyway. Let's see what Toyota shows here. Sorry about my computer, it's showing a hold. So again, another reason why I haven't bought that one. But anyway, moving on, you can pause the video there. I'm sure everybody's heard of Toyota. It's kind of interesting here, mass market battery electric vehicle until 25. Oh, excuse me, I read it wrong. The company will not have a mass market battery electric vehicle until 2025. So that's way late in the game, if you ask me. But anyway, and then there's Honda. I don't have any of that one either. I can show you what I have of Ford here. I've been holding Ford for quite a while, and as far as I know, I don't think they have their dividend back in yet, but it's actually went up and then it started coming down for whatever reason. I think when Apple, I think it was last week, I made a video about them releasing a electric car. They've actually been in works on the talks of it since 2014, I believe. You can go ahead and check my library and watch that video as well. I'll try to remember to put that one in the links on the credits on this particular video. But I've bought this one, Ford. I like it because it does give a dividend. I even tried a option on it there, as you can see, but this one does have a dividend, and I just wanted to show you here. So I was buying shares at $5.20 back in March. I should have just loaded up a bunch of shares then, but it's probably all the money that I had at the time. So again, I'm not made of money. I'm not perfect. So just stating my opinion out there, and trying to be transparent with everybody and no fluff on this channel. So there's a lot of channels out there that I'll make 100. I can show you how to increase your account to 100 grand in a year. So maybe I'll get to that point. But I think on the back end, they're probably throwing a couple dollars in there from time to time. But anyway, moving on. Again, Ford shows a hold. I believe it's been that way for quite some time, and it's showing a analyst price of $9.35. Again, if you'd like to pause the video, I did also make a Ford video. Kind of went over the it's the Mustang Mach-E. It's just if you haven't seen that, watch it on YouTube. It's just, I doubt it if it makes that sound, but the sound they have on the video just kind of gives it some excitement. So, but anyway, I think there's some good things for Ford. As you can see, the all-electric cargo van for under $45,000, and I still think they're the top manufacturer for the trucks, the F-150. But they have a couple different products in the work as well, so it's good. Tesla's keeping them on their toes, which is a good thing. So, and as you can see here, just like I said, the all-electric Mustang Mach-E. Um, so anyway, I've always liked Ford. I haven't really owned too many Fords in the past. I've always been kind of a GM guy myself. Um, but I'm sure all of you out there have also heard of GM. I also did a GM video about electric cars. I believe they have a Cadillac coming out. I'll probably do a video about that, as well as a Hummer. That would be an interesting comment. If you still have a Hummer, leave that in the comment. I'm talking the car, so again, it's late, so just making a joke. But anyway, as you can see, I have GM. My cost basis is 35. I believe I bought this one back in January. Yes. Um, as you can see, it had a dividend. It looks like it went down, and since then they haven't reinstated it, and I haven't heard when that's going to come into play. But 83% ratings, 3 shares at $35, so I'm in the green. This one has just started climbing up. Probably should have dumped it there. I don't know what was going on there. Maybe that was the Apple Car talk. It's hard to say, but anyway, GM strong buy, 10 and 1 hold, so that's a good thing. Might have to pick up some more shares of GM, and the analyst showing $52.09. Moving on, Workhorse. I have some Workhorse. I'm probably going to be doing a video. I was kind of surprised it was in this list. I was expecting some others, but I will be doing a video on this one because I do have some Workhorse, as you can see, in 1915, 10 shares. I haven't, so I've had that for quite a while, and it's been up and down, 20, 21. That's just kind of where it rides. As you can see, it's kind of went down here for whatever reason. I haven't researched, but I remember that day watching the price, and it was tempting, but I didn't. I should have, and as you can see, downhill it goes. But anyway, I'm not perfect, so I don't do a whole lot of trading. As I've told you in other videos, I'm kind of a buy and hold, like dividends. I like stocks like Workhorse from time to time. It's just kind of interesting. Very interesting company. As you can see, moderate buy, $24.20. And I believe that is the last one. So anyway, I just wanted to bring those all to your attention. If you'd leave me a comment and let me know which ones you have. Again, it's a pretty good list. I have them all except Toyota. Unless you leave me a really good comment and tell me why I need to buy that one, I'm probably going to stay away. So anyway, just wanted to bring the 7 electric vehicle stocks to your attention. I'm sure you've already know. If you want to leave duh in the comment, that's fine as well, but you've probably already heard of these, but they should all be going up in 21. Again, I'm not telling you to buy. I don't give legal tax advice. I don't tell you when to buy, when to sell. There's some YouTubers out there that do, but I do not do that. Do your own due diligence. Just bringing those to your attention and just kind of growing the community here together. If you haven't hit that like button yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit it. Go ahead and subscribe. I think I have a couple new subscribers yet tonight. So my goal was 50 by the new year. I had to set a new goal because I surpassed that today. Last time I checked, I had 56, so I'm going for 75 by the end of the year. I'm going to be turning out a bunch of videos on Friday and for the rest of the week. It's my goal to do at least one a day. Some days I turn out more, so it's just kind of what piques my interests and what I want to talk about. Again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing. We'll see you in the next one. Stay green. Cheers. Thank you.